Hi Gabrielle, this is just an older model cat window insert, so everything is already assembled. The only thing you have to cut, you got the two side legs on here. See where I'm pointing with my fingers? Because every sliding window is different height. You've got to accommodate these two side bits to fit your sliding window. So you've just got to measure and cut those two legs that are longer in your packet. You've got to cut them shorter with a hacksaw. If you don't have one, you can get hacksaw from Bunnings. I think they're like $5 or $10, something like that. Just to measure and cut that shorter. This part here is adjustable, and once you push it up, there's two little black knobs you turn to make the top adjustable panel stay. But that's it. In regards to the locking the window, you can also get, this packet doesn't come with it, but from Bunnings, I think it's two of these for $10. It's called a window lock. So you can put one at the bottom and one on the top. So there's no tools required to lock your sliding window, but that's all it is. And you got the 4-way locking system. All you got to do is just cut the side two legs to fit it. That's all.